how to assemble and fit your honeycomb open-view electric blind. Please note there are numbers 1 to 4 on the sides of the frame and also on the side of the motor rail. Arrange the frame so that the numbers on each corner are matched. Push the gearbox into the motor rail and at the same time insert the metal transporter into the float rail. Make sure the motor rail overlaps the side channel like this. If your blind is battery powered, connect the battery power cable. If your blind is mains powered, connect the blind's low voltage cables to the output side of the transformer. Important, the white cable is minus and the black cable is plus. Open the terminal by pulling the yellow grip towards the transformer. Lock the frame together using the screws supplied. If you can't find the screws, look inside the head or the foot of the blind. They are usually in a red bag. They are also sometimes stored in the remote control box. If your blind is mains powered and it is possible, connect the power to the blind whilst it is on the floor before fitting. Test the blind. Make sure the surface that you are testing on is clean and free of dust. Press the select button on the remote control to select the channel you want to control. If you just have one blind, it will be channel 1. The up and down buttons operate the blind opening and closing. Now fit the motor rail cover once installation is complete and you are happy with the look of the blind and no adjustments need to be made. Then offer the blind into the reveal and side fix the side rails through the pre-drilled holes into your recess. Caulk any gaps that may be round the sides. If you have a recess that is very out of square, you may have to put trim round the edges, which is readily available from hardware stores.